Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This exquisite 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom bungalow is nestled within a secure gated community in Manchester. It offers a perfect blend of comfort, style, and privacy. It was built in 2004 and sits on a little over quarter acre of land. The spacious layout includes 4 well-appointed bedrooms, each designed to provide ample natural light and a serene atmosphere. The master suite has air conditioning and features an ensuite bathroom, providing a private retreat, while the 2 additional bedrooms on the main floor also have ensuite bathrooms. The heart of the home is its open concept living area, which seamlessly connects the living room, dining space, and kitchen. The kitchen includes a breakfast nook, making it ideal for both family gatherings and entertaining guests. At the lower level, utilizing the slope of the land, there is a charming 1 bedroom flat, as well as an entertainment area, washroom, and changing room. This flat has its own drive-in gate and includes its own kitchen, dining area, and bathroom, ensuring privacy and convenience. The outdoor space is equally impressive, featuring a well maintained garden, a fruited backyard, and patio area, perfect for outdoor dining or relaxing in the sun. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 65 million or US $409,600. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.